sure you have been experiencing this for some time. URL is not on Google coverage. Discovered, currently not indexed. You've been worried why. I'm gonna put you through how to take care of this in this video. Just watch till the end so you understand every step I take. Thank you. Hello, welcome. Without wasting your time, I'll go straight to the shit. Now, I'm sure like for you to get this or for you to search this on YouTube, you must have had an issue like this. That is saying URL is not on Google. This page is not in the index, but not because of an error. See the details below to learn why it wasn't indexed. Probably you must have read this and you still can't understand why your page or your URL, your blog, whichever of them is not indexed. I'm pretty sure whoever had done this, like who have submitted this URL to Google Search Console must have experienced this. It's not new. And just want to let you know that you're not alone. You're not alone. Many people are facing this, and the thing is that you will search and search and search, and to get a good answer or reason why it's really hard is kind of difficult. So I will move you through that in this video. Now, let's say you posted news or whatever, an article on your blog, then normally you copy the link and you post it, you put it right here. When you put it, then you now paste it and you request indexing. Yeah. Now when you put this, for example, for the first time, this is not what you're gonna see. You understand? Is after you have request index after some time, you see something like this. So when you put the link for the first time, you're gonna see something like this. URL is not on Google. Now, the difference between this and this was no. This one now you've applied for indexing. Now the Google crawler has found this, as Google Spider or whatever, it has found the URL, but it hasn't indexed it because of the reason which Google had given. That is that the crawler thought that it's gonna overload the site, so it has scheduled this for another day. I hope you understand what I'm saying. So now, yeah, two things I'm gonna tell you to do right now. Now, I'm gonna tell you the first one. The first one is to change the slug. That's like the link, to change the link, to change the slug. And the second one is to be patient. Because the truth is that no matter how many times you request indexing, it's not gonna make it get indexed faster. You are just using your daily, you have how am I gonna put it? You have like a maximum number of URLs you can index in a day you can submit to Google. So if you just keep requesting indexing on the same URL, you're gonna use up your, likely your bundle. You understand what I'm saying? Let's say your website is www.myname.com. Then you put a video, an article. So the link should be something like, let me say, www.myname.com/article slash, if you're using Blogger, /2022/03/this/article, stuff like that. Now, editing the slug is like you changing that URL. Remember that when you change the URL, you can't access it with the previous URL unless you link that. Maybe I'll make a video for that later. But for now, you just change the URL. The way you change it, for example, you can change it to www.myname.com/2022/02/1/ this article instead of my article. You can change it to just article, something like that. Then you copy the URL which you have changed. Then inspect it again. Then request for indexing. This usually changes the URL. It usually changes the problem. That's within an hour or so, the site will get indexed. But sometimes this doesn't work. Don't be scared. Just give it some time. As Google said, is scared that this will overload the site. So probably it's a new website and no much visitors. So Google isn't sure like, oh, well, is this really important, stuff like that. So you're just gonna keep it. So it will call you later. Just be patient. Give you some time. It could take up to as much as 3 months. But the thing is, definitely Google will crawl it in. I hope you understand. I hope you enjoy this video. Stop bothering yourself. Just give it some time. Don't give up. Just keep uploading. Keep posting. Hopefully Google will call it in no time. But if you are not patient enough, just keep changing the slug, then you will request indexing again. So yeah, that's it. Thank you. So just change the slug. Or be patient. It's gonna work. I changed the slug of mine just how many, not up to 3 hours ago, and it's already indexed. Let me show you. But in the initially it wasn't indexed. It was showing currently not indexed. So when you change the slug, you try again. It's gonna work. This is just for an example. Don't mind the website stuff like that. It's just to show, just for an example.